Oh, excuse you. What's that? Oh, hi, baby girl. Hello, baby girl. Hi. Are you happy today? Are you a happy girl? Huh? Yeah? Oh, such a pretty smile, Madeline. Yeah. Yeah. Say hello. Hello. Look how long you are. 59. That's so long. That's what the doctor says today. This is April. Hi. April 12th. And this is a beautiful little girl. She's 10 pounds, 3 ounces now. And 7 weeks old and happy as can be for the moment. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. That means goodbye. Yeah.